So we're just thinking about this on a transverse axis. We're going to stabilize on the frontal. Of course, a lot of osteopaths over the years have correlated this with innominate dysfunction. But as we come through, we're going to look at it fascially first. Here. Gap that. We come back to the fascial. We're going to come back in and around the mastoid, up into the OA on this side, and we're going to start to disengage the articulation from the soft tissue. I don't need to remind you of the obvious. Bones don't contract. They are reactionary to an environment. And we don't treat bones and muscles, we treat what the bones and muscles are affecting. So that's why we're getting into AAOA here. You're going to feel the only hard lateral substance you're going to feel out here is the TVP. I'm going to come back in. Just disengage that. Unroll that back around. We're rolling it back around to the zygomatic. This is multimodal. This is us taking in the articulations, the sutures, the fascial planes. Better rotation now. Important that when we look at this, that we don't just slide over the fascia. That we're going to have a fascial tug. We're going to have a soft tissue tug against the articulation, and then we're going to start to. That would be direct to barrier, and this is indirect to barrier. There's many people that state that you must do one before the other. It's case dependent. I would be very careful, with the exception of working with children and infants, be very careful putting yourself in some sort of a box where you feel as though there's a procedure that you have to follow. It has everything to do with the response of the tissue. This was very evident in all of the earlier osteopathic texts.